God is saying to you today, my friend, you are exactly where you are meant to be. I know it feels like that nothing is happening or that you're going to be stuck in this place forever, but there is an end in sight. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. So keep going because the illusion of feeling stuck is simply that. It's really a forward movement, march towards death that you are making every single day. And the more that you feel stuck, the more life passes you by because it is always moving. When you die, there will be people who will feel like the world has ended and they can't even comprehend why it keeps turning when their world has stopped. And I too have felt this way. I too have felt stuck. And in periods of my life, I still feel stuck, including right now. But I know that this is just something else that I have to overcome. And it's God showing us the way, lighting that path. And we only have to focus on the next step, not how far we have to go or how far we've come or how we're not where we want to be. You are on the right path and that everything happens for a reason in its own time. It's not up to us to question when it's going to happen. We just have to understand that it will because it's an inevitability. It's how life works. Just like the dark turns into dawn every single day, it is part of God's promise that this is how things work and that you can trust in him and you could trust his word because that is what all we have to rely on while we wait. And in doing so, it connects us to God and his blessings and his favor in the present moment, knowing that it's coming and to be grateful for it because that's what brings it in. That type of thinking is the exact shift you need to make to see the breakthrough that you've been seeking. So I hope that you take this and it resonates because there are so many people who constantly question, when is this going to happen? When is this going to happen? And all I can tell you is what I sense and what I feel in my spirit for me and so many other people, but especially as a collective of human beings. I feel our pain, but I also know that it all serves a purpose and it's what is needed to get to a brighter path. So trust that this is all part of God's plan and it's not up to us to question it or understand it at all because that is forbidden. That is something that we can never tap into, nor should we, because that was what started this whole thing. So I hope that this was helpful. I am here with you every single day. I feel your pain. I hear and see your words and your presence, no matter what. I see you and I appreciate you so much and everything you've gone through and what you contribute to the world. Yeah. So I'll leave it at that. Let me know if this resonated, if this was helpful. I pray for everybody every single day, multiple times a day. So just know that you are in my prayers and in my thoughts, and God loves you. Bye.